Doba is one of the best things that ever happened to me. I use it for dropshipping, and now they've introduced this as well. This is called the Video Hub section of Doba, where you can see the creators making these videos about these products, helping you to explore winning products through the video. Now, this is the first section here, which is sourcing ideas, and this is some of the products here in certain niches, and you can just click on this button to add it to your inventory list. Next on, you've got influencer picks from the creators all around the world recommending you products, and my favorite section is, of course, this, supplier showcases. Now, what this opens up to us, well, it's just easier than ever to find yourself the winning product. You select one of these, complete with the ready-made videos for it. You can use the videos, you can download the videos even. For example, I like this product. I gotta buy this one for myself as well. This is all-in-one coffee machine, which you can carry with yourself. So if you want to get this video, you click here and you download the video and you can use it yourself. Now, if you want to view this product, just click on the view button here and it's going to open it up. You can add it. This one is already in my inventory list, and from here, from actions, you can list it to your store right away. Of course, if you view the product, you can also see it here, and you've got the buttons for whatever you want to do with it. You've got some pictures here, videos as well, and this is how these videos look like. Professional ready videos for you to have. You know, when I just started, I had to order things from Alibaba, from AliExpress, and I had to put them on my desk and I had to film it. I had to, make these creatives myself. I had to add text. I had to learn how to edit, and then I had to upload all of that to my stores and then hope for the best. This way, you've got winning products with these creatives ready for you. This is a whole new game, and this is what Doba offers to us. Today, I'm gonna show you two more, which are really, really good, really hot. You can sell them right away, and the first one is this. I found this one on Video Hub as well, and this is gonna be selling like hotcakes because, well, the fitness world, running, cycling, everybody wants something like this. Now, the last product is for outdoor, and it's this one. This is the basketball for your outdoor, in front of your garage, whatever you want. This is a good one as well. It really looks good. It has this shatterproof backboard, and I think that this one is gonna go really well, and I'm gonna try it as well. Now, when it comes to Doba, there's 90% of these products coming from the US, so the shipping time is gonna be really good for you. And also what I like is the AI tool hub here, which has all the tools that you need. So first of all, you've got the AI store builder. So they will build the store for you with AI. And as you can see, you get one online store, you get one standout theme, and you get 10 winning products right out of the bat to put in your store, which is really, really good. And then on top of it, there's AI Product Finder. Now, AI Product Finder, let me just show you my results here. So for whatever you use, you just put a niche, and then it's gonna give you the winning products from that niche. And for example, on one of my sites, I used this here. You can view all these products, you get recommendations, you scroll through them. These are pre-vetted products that are sure to sell because they use a lot of analytics. And all you gotta do with this is to click to add to inventory list, or you can list it to store right away. Now, if this is not your thing, if you wanna source the products yourself, you just click on this button here from your dashboard, search products, and then you've got many options here. You've got filters here, and of course, if you want to go to a specific platform, so that is what works on specific platforms, there's going to be TikTok shop selections, which is going to be right here. There's going to be Temu selections. And if you want to go with Amazon, there's going to be Amazon selections, also Shopify selections. Or if you just want to go for these items that ship from US specifically, this is the button for it. But as I've told you, now the new Video Hub is going to save you a lot of time, and it's going to save you a lot of these sourcing troubles, because this way you just see the product, you take a look at the video, and then you choose whether you want to go with it or not. You can take the videos, you can see the items, you can search for them online if you want to double check. That's what I do always, but this is a gold mine right here. This is something that I've never seen on any of these dropshipping platforms, and this is gonna completely change the game for me. You know, I'm a visual person. I just like to see something, and if I like it, well, I know my audience, I know that they're gonna like it as well. Now, regarding this section here, which is sourcing ideas, that's the second one. Sometimes there's gonna be like these 4 hot product ideas you can source today. And for example, all you're gonna need is to click on the icon here, and it's gonna bring you to the product where you can just add it to your inventory list. But sometimes it's gonna be like top 4 tech finds. Sometimes it's gonna be home decor things. For example, like this, 7 cozy home decor finds you'll fall in love with, and it's always worth checking this out as well. What's also good in the supplier showcase is that you can use this filter here. So for example, if you are in beauty and health niche, you just choose a niche here, and you're just gonna get the videos from that niche. Isn't this beautiful? Doba is a game changer. You've got a link down there. Go and enjoy yourselves. Dropshipping is completely automated now. It's easier to sort, so it's good for beginners. And also, it's easier to manage now that we have something like this. So it's a good day for dropshipping. Doba.com, the link is gonna be down there. Wish you good luck, and I'll catch you in the next one.